Today we discuss the topic equivalence of prepositions. Two compound prepositions A, P1, P2, etc. Pn and B, P1, P2, etc. Pn are said to be logically equivalent if they have identical truth tables. For example, negation of P or Q. Here the first compound statement is negation P or Q. For P1, P2, etc. Pn, here the prepositions are P and Q. So here the prepositions P and Q connected by the connectivity or and negation. So this is the first compound preposition. Here also another compound preposition negation P and negation Q. If these two compound prepositions are said to be equivalent, then their truth tables are identical. We have to check their truth table. P be the first preposition and Q be the second preposition. Both are true. Here we have two prepositions. So we have four rows. True, 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 false, false, true and false, false. So P or Q. P or Q is false only when P and Q are false. Then negation P. When P is true, negation P is false. When P is false, negation P is true. Similarly, negation Q. When Q is true, negation Q is false. And Q is true, false, negation Q is true. Then find negation P and negation Q. Consider these two columns, negation P and negation Q. Negation P and Q is true only when both the two statements are true. So in the last row, negation P and negation Q is true. In all other cases, it is false. Also, find negation of P or Q. Negation of P or Q. Here we get P or Q and its negation. So, in the first row, negation P or Q is false. In the second row is also false. Third row false. And in the fourth row, it is true. From the last two columns, we get negation P or Q is equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Here the both the truth tables of the compound prepositions are equal. So these two statements are equivalent, represented by A equivalent to B. A equivalent to B. That is negation P or Q equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Also note that if two compound prepositions are equivalent, that is here we written as A equivalent to B, then A biconditional B. We know that biconditional connectivity. A biconditional B is a tautology. Here negation P or Q equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Then what about negation P or Q biconditional negation P and negation Q? We know that biconditional statement remains true when both the compound statements are false or both the compound statements are true. In all these cases, the statements are the truth values of both the statements are equivalent. That is, negation P and Q is false, then negation of P or Q is also false. So the biconditional statement is true. That is, here negation P or Q biconditional negation P and negation Q is a tautology. Here we written as A biconditional B is a tautology, then definitely A is equivalent to B. Conversely, A is equivalent to B, then definitely A biconditional B is a tautology. So, note this point. A is equivalent to B. That is, a compound statement A is equivalent to another compound statement B if and only if A biconditional B is a tautology. Now we consider another two equivalent statements. P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P or Q. Consider the truth table. P, Q, P conditional Q. P conditional Q is false only when the first statement is true and the second statement is false. So in the second row only P conditional Q is false. In all other cases it becomes true. Then what about negation P? When P is true, negation P is false, and when P is false, negation P is true. Negation P or Q. Negation P or Q is false only when negation P and Q are false. Negation P and Q are false only in the second row. So here also the second row false and all other cases it is true. From these two columns, from these two marked columns, we know that P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P or Q because the truth values are equal. Then we check the biconditional statement of P conditional Q and the negation P or Q. P conditional Q, biconditional, negation P or Q. Biconditional statement is true whenever both the statements are equal. Here P conditional Q is true and negation P or Q is true. Then their biconditional is having the truth table T. Also both the statements here are false, so here it is true. Here also both the statements have equivalent truth values, so their biconditional statements are false. So their biconditional truth value is true. So P conditional Q biconditional negation P or Q is a tautology. That implies P conditional Q equivalent to negation P or Q. Next, the duality law. The dual of a compound proposition. What is the dual of a compound proposition? Let the given compound proposition be in the primal form, and that compound proposition contains the connectivities or, and negation. Then its dual form. We change or by and by or. Okay. Also, the truth value of the primal form is true, then the dual form is false. Also, the primal truth value of the primal form is false, then the dual truth value of the dual form becomes true. For example, P negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Let it be the primal form. From these equivalent statements, we find the dual form of these propositions as negation of P or Q equals negation P and negation Q. Here we change only the and by or and or by and. Okay. Also, the duality theorem states that if A is equivalent to B, if two compound statements are equivalent, then A star is equal to B star. Their dual, here A star represents the dual of A. Their dual is also equivalent. Here in this example, the primal forms are equal, then their dual forms are also equal. This is the De Morgan's law. Okay, duality theorem states that if two statements are equal, then their dual is also equal. Now we discuss some algebraic laws of mathematical logic. Also, we memorize these results for further use. First one is idempotent law. P or P is equivalent to P. P or P. We know that P or P. That is, if the statement P is true and P is true, then OR is also true. Both are false, then P or P is also false. So P or P is equivalent to P. Its dual form P and P. It's also equivalent to P. So P or P is equivalent to P. Also P and P is also equivalent to P. Next is identity law. P or false, that is equal to P. P or false is equal to P. P has two truth values, T and F. And we connect these two truth values by false. What happens? True or false is true. False or false is false. So this is same as P. So P or false is P. Also, it's dual P and true. That is, true and true is true. False and true is false. So P and true is also P. This is known as identity law. That is, if we operate false, P or false, we get the same statement. So this is the identity law. Next is the dominant law. P or true. P or true is true. We know that P or true. P, the statement P is true, false, and the statement true means here it is true. What is P or true? Or by connecting or, P or true, both the statements are true. If false or true is also true. So P or true is true. Then the dual P and false is false. Next is complement. P or negation P. P or negation P. Negation P false, true. P or negation P. Or it is true or false is true, false or true is true. So P or true is true and its dual P and false. P and false is false. P or negation P is true. Also its dual P and negation P is false. In the primal form it is true. It becomes false in the dual form. Commutative law. P or Q is equal to Q or P. Similarly, P and Q is equal to Q and P. Also associative law. P or Q or R is equivalent to P or Q or R. That is, in the mathematical logic, we can also replace the brackets from P or Q to Q or R. So P or Q, if we done P or Q first and join it with R, is same as first we do Q or R and P join Q or R. Both the statements are equivalent. Similarly, its dual form P and Q and R is equivalent to P and Q and R. Next is distributive law. P or Q and R. P or Q and R, that is equal to P or Q and R. Here it is wrong. P or Q and P or R. Distributive law. P or Q and R is P or Q and P or R. Similarly, the dual form P and Q or R is equivalent to P and Q or P and R. Okay. Next is absorption law. P or P and Q is equal to P. Now we check the result by truth table. P, Q. True, 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 false, false, true, and both are false. What about P and Q? P and Q is true, false, false. P or P and Q. P or P and Q. True, true. Both the statements are true. So P or P or Q is true. P or P and Q is true. P true, false. By connecting or it is also true. False and false, false. False and false, it's again false. That is equal to P. This statement is equivalent to P. So P or P and Q is P. Similarly, by the duality law, P and P or Q is also P. Next is De Morgan's law. Negation P or Q is equivalent to negation P and negation Q. We also check this result by, we already checked this result by a truth table. Negation P and Q is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. These are important laws in mathematical logic.